Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be making the side for the bedside table, which is going to be a tenon joint. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on Create Sketch, and we put our 3 planes here. We're going to be using the bottom plane, which is this one right here, and we click on it. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to get the 2-point rectangle. You're going to click on the datum, which is our start point. And for the bottom one, it's going to be 350 mils long. If you press Tab, you can go switch to the edge quickly. It's going to be 140, and I go Enter. You're going to go Finish Sketch. Now we need to extrude this surface by 19 mils, so that way it goes from 2D to a 3D shape. What we're going to do now, we're going to put on the tenons. We're going to draw the tenons on the front face of our side. So our tenons are each going to be 20 mils deep, so they're going to be 20 mils long. Our tenon needs to go the whole way, the whole width of our side, so it's going to be 140, but then it's also only going to be 20 deep. And I go Enter. I want to do the other side as well, the other end. So 140 by 20, Enter. I'm going to finish my sketch, and if I hold Shift down, I'm able to select both. So hold Shift, select both, and we're going to extrude those, and this extrude is going to be a minus. So we're going to go -5. And if I have a look, it is like so. I've got my tenons on one side, now I want to do it on the other. So I've just got my orbital tool and I flip it over, like so. I'm going to go Create Sketch, I'm going to click on the bottom. I'll do the same thing again to get my 2-point rectangle. I'll do 20 by 140, and I want to go to the other end. 20, 140 by 20, easy. I'm going to finish my sketch. Remember, if I hold Shift, I'm able to select both ends. I extrude, and it's going to be a minus because I want it to go internally. It's going to be 5. Both of my tenons have been completed. Now, when you're drawing a tenon joint, you also want to make a bit of a lip. Okay, you also want to make it a haunch tenon. Okay, so the way we're going to do this is we want to take an area out of each of these. So basically, when it's in the mortise, it's hidden, and you just in case this lip isn't cut nicely, we're able to hide it. So the way we do that, you're going to select on that area, and this is only going to be on the tenon joint, and that's going to be 20 by 20. I'll enter that there. If I use the hand tool, I'm able to do this, go down to this one, and it's going to be exactly the same, 20 by 20. If I finish that sketch, I'm able to select that one, remember holding Shift. If I extrude, and I'm going to go, if I pull this arrow, I can go all the way through, like that. I'm going to do the same thing to this side now. So I get my, go Create Sketch. Don't click on this face, we need to click on that, the tenon. I go to the corner again. It's going to be 20 by 20, Enter. If I get the hand tool and I move down further, 20 by 20, Enter. I need to finish my sketch, remember, always remember to finish your sketches. If I extrude, hold Shift, and that right there is how to make a tenon joint for a side.